Pennsylvania. What? 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? In New Jersey, northwestern Burlington. In Pennsylvania, Lower Bucks. When? Until 6 a.m. Tuesday. Impacts. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs along tidal waterways. Some roads become impassable. Minor damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Additional details. The potential for additional rounds of coastal flooding may result in an extension of the current warning. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth.